The conversation that we'll have during the workshops is one that I believe each person who attends will feel that they have an opportunity not only to share their own personal experiences. Each of us lives in a world where our unique view of it is different, number one. Number two, we really have an opportunity when we're alongside others to gain a better appreciation for what theirs is as well. There's an opportunity for us to speak to issues in terms of race and racial justice through a lens that is not only our personal lens, but is then combined with others who have different experiences. One, it really just not only enriches the discussion, but it allows us to have a much deeper, robust appreciation for others' views, as well as a greater knowledge base for understanding other races, other cultures, as well as how does that translate to what we see in our congregations.